Today we're going to be making some nice and crunchy glittery slime. I'm always inspired with some crunchy and shiny slime. Today I'm going to do a blindfold challenge. I have my blindfold. I have 3 glues in which I'm going to be blindfold, and I'm going to select one glue. I have some small little beads, foam balls in different colors. This is colorful. This is plain white, blue, pink, and I have some huge foam balls. This is white and colorful. I have some of these beads, green and blue. I have some glitter stars and hearts and circles. And I also have some of these fruits and candies, ice cream sprinkles, flour. These all are sprinkles, and I have unicorns and some colorful beads and clear beads, and of course a bowl, some tools, and shaving cream. One tip on making slime: if you want to make fluffy slime, like real fluffy, you're going to put some shaving cream, or how much ever, but I put so much shaving cream because I love fluffy slime. And if you don't put shaving cream, it's going to be normal slime, I can say, because if you don't put shaving cream, the softness, it's not there much. And of course, some activator. I have this activator, Renew activator. And of course, I have a box of glitters, tiny box of glitters. So let's get started. Now I'm going to put my blindfold on, and my mom is going to shuffle the glues.
Okay, so I'm going to shuffle the glue for you. Keep your eyes closed. Let me put this there, and okay, you're good to go. Pick now.
Nah. Can I open my eyes now?
Sure, go ahead.
Oh my, I got white! It's washable school glue.
That's nice.
Now I'm going to squeeze all this into this bowl. Make sure that your bowl's clear, otherwise all the dirt will mix up in your slime and make it dirty. And nobody wants a dirty slime. And I've opened it, and I'm going to squeeze that glue. And since I have white and I don't want it plain, I'm going to make a mint slime I'm going to mix 2 food colorings, blue and green. Mix mint. This is taking a lot of time. I'm going to open it from here. I'm going to open the whole thing. It's taking too much time. And I'm going to take these tools now, and I'm going to use them for mixing and measuring. This one I'm going to use for measuring, and I'm going to use this one for mixing. Okay, now let's mix it, please. Now some food coloring measuring time. I'm going 1 drop of each, blue and green. 1 drop of blue. And 1 drop of green. That's enough. Good. Now time to mix. Whoa. Look at that. Look at this. nice green minty slime. Good. Now all is mixed up, and now the fun part of me, the fun part I always liked, shaving cream. Shaving cream is ready to go. Whoa. Good. Now let's mix this much shaving cream first. Wow, that is so fluffy. As you can see, it's very fluffy now, and it's as I added, it's nice. It has a nice green texture to it. And now my mom is again. I'm going to blindfold, and my mom's again going to shuffle these crunchy stuff, crunchy and glittery, and I'm going to pick for these glitters since I can't, like, there's so many. I'm going to pick 2 of these in these glitters, one foam balls, and 2 of these other sprinkles and all.
Okay, so I'm gonna shuffle it for you now. Okay. Okay, you're good to go.
Maybe I'm going to take this one.
Okay.
And is this the first row or second row?
Second row. Now your hand is on the second row.
I guess I'm going to take this one. And from the second row, this one. And is this where my glitters are?
Yes.
So I'm going to take maybe this one. Okay. And this one. Okay, now can I open my eyes?
Sure, go ahead. Look at your choices. What did you select?
Oh my gosh! I mean, like, yeah, I got this. I was wanting this. Blue. It's gonna look good. Oh, pink! Yay! And I got something matching with my slime. Turquoise beads. And I got some metallic-ish balls. Doesn't really suit, but yeah, it's fine. Now, I'm going to add everything to my slime. First, I'm going to start with these beads. Cut it open there, right there. And woo! Whee! That looks so awesome. Seriously, guys, that is so awesome. Now my sprinkles. Whoa, that looks like ice cream to me. And that's my favorite pink. Oopsie. That now is totally my favorite ice cream. I love ice cream. I love it with a bunch of sprinkles on. Just 2 more. This. Wow. What? That's an opal. There we go. That's enough, I guess. And some of these big balls. There we go. And look at that. Oh, that looks so cool. Time to mix it. Cool, right? That's so cool. Maybe I want to add a few more things, like a bit of these pink balls. Oops. Get in there. You also get in there. Whoa, that totally matches. And little more of everything. Good. Good. Wow. Good. Time to mix. That's total colorful slime. As you can see, this looks very colorful and crunchy, and the glitterness, everything is right here. Now I'm going to add some of baking soda right here. I'm going to take about 5 pinches. This was 1, 2, 3, 5 pinches. 4, 5. I think that's enough. Let's start mixing. Maybe let's add 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. After this, the contact solution. First, I'd like to show you how it looks so far. Very shiny and like very, those crunchiness and all texture. Now I'm gonna add this, about like 10 drops. This is contact solution. See, contact solution, I have a lot. And now I'm gonna add 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Doesn't matter. Now let's mix it. It started to come together. Whoa. See, as you can see, it has started to come together a lot. So let's mix it for until it comes a bit together, and it started to come, which I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna add about a few more drops. That's enough. And pretty much good. As you can see, some of the slime has been stuck to the bowl's corners. I'd rather not scrape it. It's a bit too much because there's already some on this, and then you're scraping it, but then a few of it still stuck on it. So what I prefer is to put some here on the corners, right, like that, and done. Just around it, do it. As you can see, it's started to come, and oh, look at that fluffy, stretchy slime. we go. Our slime has come up. Wow. Woo! Wow. Oh, a few of them stuck to the ground. I'll just take it up. Yep, you just gotta knead it with your hands. Look at that. Fluffy slime. Now I'll just put a bit. Everything's falling. Can you imagine that? Falling and falling and falling. At least it has a great texture. Look at that heavy, fluffy. Play on words. I call it play on words. Fluffy. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. That's just what I wanted. Some crunchy, nice slime. Okay. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Hope you enjoyed and I hope you got some inspiration from this. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, I would love to know your comments. I would love to know what else you want me to do. And please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.